Archman, 2018.04 Code name, Panthera, stable version. Archman Linux is an Arch Linux-based distribution which features the Calamares system installer and a pre-configured desktop environment. Archman also features the Octopi package manager to make installing new software easier. Archman, Arch Linux-based, originating in Turkey, is a Linux distribution. Archman is a handy, easy, fast and powerful Linux distribution. Archman's official editions arrive with XFCE, KDE Plasma, Mate and LXQT desktop management. In addition to these desktop administrations, other desktop administrators can also work on the requests from the community in order to prepare the version. Although Archman Linux also has a package repository that has its own customizations and configurations, it uses almost all of the Arch Linux repositories. Archman opens the path to a Linux distribution that is both easy to use and easy to develop. Archman is an end-user and developer-friendly Linux distribution. We made it easy, but we left the adventure gate open. Archman Linux is the rolling version rolling release. You always keep your base system up to date by updating it. If you want to upgrade your version, you can install and use the current installation media. It depends on your choice. Archman Linux publishes an up-to-date stable version each month, and for each version it specifies the name of a wildcat as the code name and in that version uses the images of that cat. That's it. Thanks for watching.